is not set up for substitution because we don't have an x or y isolated by itself. We don't see that we can add down directly, so I have to choose a variable to eliminate. I look at the least common multiple for the x's, the coefficients, and 5 and 2 both go into 10. 4 and 5 for the y's both go into 20. 10 is a smaller number, so I'm going to create 10s there. To make a 10 out of the first 5x, I'm going to multiply through by 2. And the second equation, I'm going to multiply through by 5. So we're going to have top equation by 2. That gives us negative 10x plus 8y equals negative 38. That's the 19 times 2. The second equation we're going to multiply through by 5 and get 10x plus 25y is equal to 170. Adding down, these 10x's are going to cancel out by design. We're going to have 33y on the left equals 132. And it turns out when you divide by 33, that goes in perfectly 4 times. Now we need to find an x value to go along with it. I think this second equation is the one to substitute into it because there's only a 2 in front of our x. So substituting in, that equation becomes 2x plus 5 times 4 equals 34. This really is a 20 with that 5 times 4, so I'm going to subtract the 20 on both sides. That will give us 2x is equal to 14. Dividing by 2 gives us 7. So the solution here is x is 7 and y is 4. Okay, some word problems. Two angles are supplementary. That means they add up to 180 degrees. So x plus y is equal to 180. The larger angle, we don't really know which one is the larger, I'll just call it x, is 20 less than 3 times the smaller. 20 less than means we're taking 20 away from something else. 3 times the other, there's my 3 to y. This time we've got two equations, one of them solved for x already. It's a clear-cut shot for us to use the substitution method. So when we substitute that x into the line above becomes 3y minus 20 plus the y that's already there equals 180. We combine like terms. 3y plus 1y makes 4y. So 4y minus 20 is equal to 180. Adding 20 to both sides gives us 4y is equal to 200. Dividing through by 4 gives us y is equal to 50 degrees. Choose either equation up above. I'm going to choose the top one. 50 plus what? 50 plus 130 degrees adds up to 180. And there's our two angles. Next problem. We've got another mixture problem. So I'm going to draw my little mixing bowls here. Bam plus bam equals bam. We're mixing a 4% acid solution. I write 4% on top because prices and percents go on top. Is mixed with a 20% acid solution. How many milliliters of each? I guess that's our variables. The amounts are missing down at the bottom. Should be mixed in order to have 24 milliliters. That's my amount of a 10% solution. Okay, that one just fell right into place. I'm going to multiply through by 100, basically getting rid of these decimals that I didn't even write in, but I can do that every time I have a percentage. So, top times bottom, that's 4x, plus top times bottom, that's 20y, equals top times bottom, 240. The second equation, reading across the bottom, is x plus y equals 24. This one looks like it's perfectly set up for us to do the elimination method. I'm going to eliminate the x's, creating a minus 4x on the start of the second equation. So I'm going to slide that top equation over. The bottom one I'm going to multiply through by negative 4. And I think I can fit this in here on the next right across. So 4x plus 20y equals 240. And multiplying by negative 4, negative 4x minus 4y equals negative 96. We designed it so those x's would cancel out. we're going to get 16y is equal to 144. And dividing by 16, we're going to get y equals 9. I'm going to substitute that 9 in right into the second equation because that's cleanest. X plus 9 equals 24. That means subtracting 9 on both sides, we're going to get 15. So we're going to have 15 milliliters, that's my X, at 4%. And I'm going to have the 9 milliliters, that's my Y, at 20%. And there's my solution to that problem.